In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for social media management. Trello is a fantastic visual tool for planning, scheduling, and tracking your content. We'll keep things simple and practical so you can set up a clean workflow in minutes and start moving ideas from concept to published. First, open Trello and click on Create New Board. Think of a board as your command center for everything social. It's where campaigns live, where ideas are captured, and where you'll see progress at a glance. If you see options for background or visibility, don't overthink it. Pick what feels right for now. You can always adjust visuals and sharing settings later as your workflow matures. Next, enter a board title like social media. Clear naming really matters once you're juggling multiple projects. Consider including your brand name and a time frame, such as Social Media 2026 or Brand X Social Media Hub, so it's instantly recognizable to you and anyone you collaborate with. Consistency here saves a lot of searching and second guessing later. Now, click Create. Trello will generate your fresh board. You'll land on a clean workspace that's ready for your planning. Depending on your view, Trello may prompt you to add a first list before you start adding content. That's normal. Just follow the prompt so you have a place to drop your ideas. From here, you can start shaping your workflow exactly how you like it. Then create cards like post media, research content, and other tasks you routinely perform. Each card represents a single piece of work, such as an Instagram carousel, a YouTube short, or a research task for next month's topics. Give each card a clear, action-focused title so you know exactly what it is at a glance. Inside a card, you can add a description with creative notes or instructions. Set a due date to align with your posting schedule, and apply labels to mark platforms or content types. Checklists are great for repeatable steps like drafting copy, sourcing visuals, securing approvals, and scheduling. You can attach assets directly to the card, leave comments to capture feedback or decisions, and assign a card to teammates when it's their turn to move it forward. As your priorities shift, simply drag and drop cards to reflect what's next. A quick recap: you clicked Create New Board, named it clearly, confirmed Create, and began building your workflow with purposeful cards like post media and research content. Keep cards concise, update them as work progresses, and review your board daily to maintain momentum. With this setup, Trello becomes a reliable hub that keeps your social media organized, transparent, and on track.